Hey, it's Bob Harris here. I like to take fairly difficult songs that are near impossible to play for a beginner and modify it so that they can play it. Dust in the Wind, this is going to be the easiest version you'll hear on the internet. If you're ready for this lesson, grab your guitar. Here we go. Most beginners, when they're first starting out, have trouble forming the C chord, and that happens to be the first chord in the original version of this song. And then on top of it, he's using a pinky, and then he's lifting off with his index. He's doing this move right here, all right, which is very difficult for a beginner. And same thing with the A minor chord, lifting on and off those notes there to get the melody and the rhythm at the same time. So what I figured out was if we just retune one of the strings, we can get pretty much the same effect out of this without having to form full chords. So this is string 1, 2, 3, and 4. String 4 is going right to this tuner right here. So we're going to tune this down. And let me put up my tuner here. This is my piano tuner, and I'll leave a link in the description area. It's free. You can get it for free. It's an app, okay? Great tuner. So what we're going to do is this note, and I hope you're in standard tuning, this note right here is a D note in standard tuning, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn it down to a C. Okay, so we're going downwards. I'm going this way with it, down, in pitch. So you can see it's reading a D right here. We're going to go all the way down to C. All right, if you were successful in getting your guitar in tune for this song, it sounds like this. Actually, a very pretty chord. And this is still the E note. This is still a B, this is still a G, third string, fourth string. This is the one that we tuned down from a D to a C, then A, and then E, all right? So I'm going to show you the pattern now, and let's start with the thumb, okay? What we're going to be doing is we're going to be, with our thumb, we're going to be going from the fourth string, pluck the fourth string, to the third string, back and forth. This whole song is just back and forth. Okay, using the thumb, like so, all right? String 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Why don't you try that with me? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to add a note, all right, and it's going to be the index finger on the second string, all right? We're going to add it in two places. And the first place we're going to add it is on the very first beat of the measure. And with the thumb, we're going to do what's known as a pinch, okay? So we're going to pinch these two strings together, you know, at the same time. All right? Like a pinch. Okay? Two strings at once. String 4 and string 2. Try that with me. Very easy. Let me show you what we're going to do here. We're going to add this index finger in two spots, at the pinch, right at the very first beat of the measure, and then right here, we're going to slip in a note, okay? We're going to slip in that index finger in two places in the measure. So let me count it for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 This second time it comes in on the and of 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Another easy way to count it would be like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the intro, there's only 2 chords. There's a C chord and an A minor chord. But instead of doing something different with the left hand to make another chord, we're going to change the chord with our right hand. Let me show you how we're going to do that. So instead of plucking the 4th string like we did on the C chord, going to change to the 5th string and hop over the 4th string for the A minor chord. Alright, we are on the home stretch here. We're going to combine the left hand with the right hand. And the left hand is super easy. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go up 1 fret with our index finger on the 2nd string. And that's our very first note of the first measure. All right, so measure 1 is this. And we're doing that same pattern that we learned. And this is for the C chord. That's measure 1. All right, why don't you try that with me? Remember, I'm pinching these 2 fingers here on string 4 and 2. Okay, so that's measure 1. Measure 2 that's measure 2. I hope you can do that. Okay, measure 3 is this right here, 3 frets up on the 2nd string. And measure 4 is back to this. So if I play all 4 of those measures together, it sounds like this. Count it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's the first 4 measures. The next measure is we're going to be playing an A minor chord. Okay, so to change the chord, remember we're going to switch from the 4th string with our thumb, okay, to the 5th string, going back between 5 and 3. Okay, so this is the 5th measure, 6, 7th measure, 8th measure. Measure 9, we're back to the C chord again, and we're starting on this note for measure 9. All right, 3 frets up, and we're back on this 4th string with our thumb, going back between 4 and 3 instead of 5 and 3 like we did for the A minor. So that's this right here. This is measure 9, measure 10, measure 11, measure 12, measure 13, we're switching to the A minor chord again, all right, 5th string. All right, we're going to do the play along now, but before we get to that, if you want to get the free sheet music and tab, just click right here. And let's get right into the play along right now. We're going to do this at a very slow speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. That does it for this lesson. Hopefully it was easy enough for you and you'll have something to impress your friends and family with on the guitar. If this was too difficult for you, I want you to go right here and take this lesson right here. Actually, it's a full course. It's my beginner course. It covers all the basics of the guitar, all right, for fingerpicking. For the rest of you, we're going to have another video that's going to appear here next week, and I'll see you later. All the best and happy picking.